welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Veronica and I am a wife and mama from Las Vegas, and I share cooking, cleaning, and decorating videos here on YouTube. So today we're going to be decorating my front entryway for Halloween, and I am so excited to show you how it turns out. Let's get started. This is actually part 2 of my clean and decorate for Halloween. If you missed the first video, I will definitely have that linked down below for you, and I will also link it up in the corner here so that you can check that out as well. I decorate for Halloween. I'm just clearing off all the fall decor, and I'm going to give this table a really good wipe down using the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. It is absolutely my favorite. About your simple life, nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. When decorating, it is really important to anchor down your decor, and today I'm just going to use this creepy fabric to do just that. Before I actually put anything on top of it, I'm spreading it out, and I'm even going to make it look like it has bigger holes just to give it a creepier feel. Stepping on toes with these humble everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I'm then going to go ahead and use some of the staple pieces that I know I want to include. This statue is very meaningful to my husband and I because we did get married in October, and we actually bought this the year we got married. I'm also going to use my little gnome here. I just think he is so welcoming and screams Halloween. And I'm going to do some different layers and different textures to make sure that it is a cohesive vignette. To create levels, I love to use books, and I also try to find little leveling pieces like this little stool here. And I just love how it gives so much more dimension to my decor. Not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble. And now I'm moving over to this little corner, and this little table I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It's like a little garden cart, and it was one of the furniture pieces that are always on like 30% off, but I absolutely love it. It's so cute. I actually find it to be one of the more challenging pieces to decorate in my home, so I always look forward to figuring out exactly how I'm going to decorate this piece. When I'm decorating, I do like to make sure that I have a clean slate, so I am going to go ahead and wipe down this furniture as well. And while I was wiping it down, I noticed that the floor underneath it was quite dusty as well. So I grabbed my Dyson vacuum and I just did a quick vacuum before I put the decor out. I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that. I just love those little light up jack-o'-lanterns, and I knew I wanted to put one here because to me they're just so welcoming and so Halloween, but it does not actually reach an electric socket, so I just used it for decor. I also decided to use more of that creepy fabric over here and drape it along the bars as well as the wood, just to give it some more dimension and bring in more of those Halloween vibes. Somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you
Got your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it.
After taking a step back, I realized I needed some height and dimension on this cart, so I grabbed a couple of my candlesticks and I went ahead and raised up that black and white pumpkin, as well as adding a candle to the mix.
And I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time.
My little jack-o'-lantern bride and groom are seriously so fun to decorate with because they're completely posable. So I always try to make them look nice and cozy together wherever they end up. I absolutely love decorating with ravens and crows around my house. I just think they bring such a creepy element, but also a sophistication. Unfortunately though, my cat loves to eat them, so she tries to hunt them throughout the house, and every year, one of them falls victim to her. Tell me down below, do you have any weird things that your animals do with your decor? Finish off this area, I gave the floor a really good vacuum, and then I headed upstairs to put up our giant spider. We have always liked to make sure that he was looking down at the front door just to give that really creepy atmosphere to the trick-or-treaters, so we wanted to make sure we did that again this year. So once our giant spider was not only put up but posed in the position that I wanted him, I had to enlist my husband for some help. Now, my husband is the master spider webber. He puts up our spider webbing in our house as well as outside every year, and it is always impeccable. I don't know what he does to make it so amazing, but it is just, I don't know how to put it in words. It's just that cool. So I did ask him to go ahead and hang the spider webbing, and he did allow me to film some of it for you guys. So that is what we're doing now. Out of all the decor I put up in this space, the spider webbing has to be my favorite part. My husband just does such a great job with it, so I don't know what it is about it. But that is the end of today's video. I hope this video gave you some ideas and motivation for Halloween decor in your home. If you liked it, please make sure you hit the like button for me, and also if you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you be a part of my internet family. I will have another part of my Clean and Decorate for Halloween series coming up on Monday. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!